The Lord had emphasized the 22 so much that I began to look into the meaning of the number. And in that process, that led me into the Hebrew alphabet and looking at numbers and their meanings in the Hebrew. One day I'm laying in my bed and I was looking at things related to the research that I was doing. I don't remember exactly what I was looking at, but in that moment, the Lord prompted me. He prompted me to look into the year of his death. I went and I searched and I looked. I saw that, there's some discrepancies about the actual year of his death. The most popular belief in that is that he died in 33 AD. He prompted me to begin with 30 AD. When I looked at the 30 AD, he began to give me an equation. And he said to me, how many years has it been since 30 AD? And at that time, it was 2023. 2023, we were 1993 years from 30 AD. When I solved that and saw that it was 1993, he says, how many years would it be to 2000 years? And it was one of those things because that was also a thought that came to my mind when I saw that it was 1993 years. I said, everybody's always saying, oh, it's been 2000 years since Jesus' death and he's been gone for 2000 years. But in reality, he was showing me it hadn't been 2000 years. He says, in what year now then would it be 2000 years, which was 2030? In 2030, it would be 2000 years of Jesus' death using 30 AD as the year of his death. And then he says, in what year would it be 2002? And again, he was highlighting the 22, right? Because 2002, right? You have the 2 with the 2 zeros in between and then a 2. And if you X out the zeros, you're left with 22. And of course, it was just 2 years later. So 2032 would be the year that would make 2002 years of his crucifixion. And then he said, what does 2032 add up to? And I said, okay, 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7. And at the year 2032, it would make 2002 years of his death. That was the equation that he gave me. There again was the 22 with the 7. The Lord was showing me that so significant that it is hidden in the scripture of Revelation 22:7.